Dick Brennigy is very well known for his two documentaries about building his cabin in Twin Lakes in Alaska in 1968. He's very popular with being an outdoors man. I'm sure a lot of hunters and outdoor people have heard of him, and they probably even heard of his friend's book, One Man's Wilderness, published in 1973 by Sam Keefe. It was based on the journals and photography of Richard Brennigy. And they probably watched the program that Governor Jay Hammond did to explore Brennigy's cabin and to meet him as well.